Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by getting Word and Quillbot talking. Open Microsoft Word and install the Quillbot add-in. Sign in when prompted so the tool can access your document. Once done, position your cursor at the paragraph you want to rework or select text to target. Make sure auto-save is off if you want manual control, and check that the Quillbot pane appears. If it doesn't, reopen the add-ins menu. Now you're ready to send content into Quillbot for processing. Once the pane is visible, you decide how to transform text. You can pick standard, fluency, creative, or formal mode depending on tone needs, and then tweak synonym strength or sentence length. These controls change rewriting depth. If there are terms to keep, enable preserve key terms so technical words stay intact. Hit paraphrase or rewrite and watch suggestions populate. Quillbot highlights altered phrases. Then, review each change inline. Accept or reject alternatives. To finish, accept the edits you want and read through the document to ensure meaning and flow remain accurate. Use words grammar and spell check for a final polish. For long files, process one section at a time so formatting and headings stay intact. If something goes wrong, like the Quillbot pane disappears, restart Word and re-enable the add-in, or sign out and back into Quillbot. If problems persist, copy text into the Quillbot web editor temporarily, then paste results back.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.